Meaning of ducat.
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 Ducat. A ducat is a gold coin that was used as currency in Europe during the Middle Ages and Renaissance. It was first minted in Venice in 1284 and was widely accepted across Europe. The name ducat comes from the Latin word ducatus, which means duchy or place of power. The coin was valued for its consistent weight and purity and became a symbol of wealth and prestige. Today, ducats are no longer used as currency but are sought after by collectors for their historical and cultural significance.